Alright. I remembered to hit record now. I did not a moment ago. So I came down and restarted this. Knee beta.
Can I get some flash? No, that's good. Yeah, now you can take all day.
Ooh, yeah, that wind feels so good. It's supposed to rain today. And it smells like it. It smells like it's going to rain. Smell Astro on that side. And that's Astro on that side. Appreciate the folks from Columbus who were just talking to, who hung my draws at the end. So the route turnover was a lot quicker. That's called being efficient with teamwork.
Sorry.
Do you want to use these anchors and just come down on these?
I think she wants to climb it.
Okay.
And then we will do that next.
All right, cool.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay, now I'm good. Now everything's locked up tight. All right.